In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the WordPress theme and plugin editor to improve your website's security. Disabling the file editor helps prevent hackers or unauthorized users from editing your site's code directly from the dashboard. To get started, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, open the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search box, type Security. When the plugin appears, click Install Now, then click Activate. Once the plugin is active, you will see a new security option in your dashboard menu. Click on it, then open the Settings section. Inside Settings, look for the Hardening area. This section includes tools that strengthen your site by locking down sensitive features. Here find the option labeled Disable Plugin and Theme Editor. This setting prevents anyone from editing theme and plugin files from inside the WordPress dashboard. When you see it, click Apply Hardening. That's it. The theme and plugin editor is now disabled, adding an important layer of protection to your WordPress site. This is especially useful if multiple users have access to your dashboard or if you want to reduce security risks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more WordPress security tips.